Oh my. Snap, crackle, and pop. There it goes. And so I'm figuring out what kind of spoon. I'm thinking I want to make a scraper spoon with a front with a square nose. Okay. There's a flat surface.
This is the important part. You have to be a stickler for detail. So James, do you know how a photographer hangs up his pictures?
How's that?
With JPEGs. I'm a little bit confused right now. All I see right now is the raw wood. So James, do you know what the difference between a large pepperoni pizza and a professional photographer is?
What?
A large pepperoni pizza can usually feed a family of 4.
True.
This is amazing. You know why I was fired as a photographer? They thought I was a little bit of a loose cannon. Are you on?
So this is where hand tool woodworking meets hand tool photography.
Kinda looks like my hair. Kinda curly and all natural. It's a beautiful thing.
Haircut.
That would look like your head. All smooth and beautiful. No, I can't say I'm very good at woodworking. But did you know I also failed my photography course in college?
Why is that?
Teacher said I wasn't bright enough.
I can see that.
Did you hear how the lumberjack was killed in the woods?
Why?
It makes me shudder to think of it.
Now I need to shape the bowl end. This is where I'd love to have a draw horse. One must feel the spoon, become one with the spoon.
So, once a lumberjack knocked out my tooth. It's okay, he apologized, no big deal. He said it was accidental.
Good idea. Maybe not so much on this side. Just getting it close right now. $200. We let it sit. Another stupid joke.
So, there was a lumberjack who went into a magic forest. He was going to cut down a tree, but the tree said, "Quick, stop, I'm a talking tree." The lumberjack started laughing, and he said, "Then you will dialogue."
So you can see here where the sanding shows you spots where it's been scraped and where it hasn't, and then I can come in and detail those down.
I'll log that away somewhere for next time. Now in our class, we call this the plane of focus. Yes, it's a very good plane. Did you hear about the woodworker who just wouldn't quit his job? He just wouldn't. You know how to escape an angry woodworker when you're on the internet? You just log off. So James, I think you got it about wrapped up here. If you got a handle on things, I'm gonna go take a nap. Has like a honey smell, almost. A sweet smell. What is it?
Boiled linseed oil.
The what?
Those lines there.
What did you call it? The
Chatoyancy, because it changes as you move at different angles. They pop out at different...
Ah, you know why they can't photograph a walnut wood very good?
Why?
It's just too grainy.
So you may have noticed on this video, Geinous here in the background. We had a lot of fun over on the other channel, on the how-to channel. We were telling jokes throughout, and at the end of this video, I'll put some of those jokes in there. So we were having a good bit of time playing with it. So he brought in the walnut, and I really like how this came out. So if you'd like to find out more information, or if you want to go check out Geinous' channel, he has a channel called Better Pix, where he actually teaches how to use cameras, how to take pictures, and how to do them better. Because...
you can take Better Pix in just a few clicks.
So find out more information, links down below. And if you do want to help out the channel, think about putting a comment down below. It really helps us out. And there's a whole bunch of people who really put just comment down below. Thank you for that. But if you really want to be amazing, wonderful, benevolent, and as gorgeous as Geinous over here, Then you could become a patron. All of these names over here, those are some of the patrons on Patreon. And between patrons and members, those are people who click the join button or the thank you button. Thank you. You guys keep the channel going, and you are the ones that allow me to do what I want to do and work with people I want to work with. So if you'd like that, then think about becoming a patron. You know what to do. And I think that'll do it for now. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Here on Wood by Wright, where Bob Ross meets Albert Einstein.